Hey, what's going on, you guys? So, for today, I will walk you through a fix if you have some issues with black screen when sharing on Discord. So, let's start. So, here I have Netflix open on a browser and I also have Discord running. So, as you can see, Netflix is not showing the video, it's just a black screen with a few text. Now, to resolve this issue, go ahead and open your Discord settings. Click on voice and video, scroll down, and make sure that this option right here is turned off. Now in your browser, click on the three dots on the upper right corner of the window and click on settings. Hold down Ctrl plus F on your keyboard to enable search function. Now type in hardware acceleration and make sure that this also should be turned off. Now click on relaunch, and when you go back to Netflix, you will see that the video is now showing. Now when you go to Discord and share your screen, you can also see that it is now working. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.